So welcome back, everyone. It's been really nice weather, so we decided to go to the mountains. Eric's been itched to get out for a while now, so we decided to head out this weekend. Normally we opt to stay at rest stops when we're heading out, but this time we decided we're going to try a stealth camp in the city. So we will report back to you in the morning to see how it goes. Normally we opt to stay at rest stops when we're heading out, but this time we decided we're going to try a stealth camp in the city. So we're going to see how that goes. We've preemptively already set up our bed, so what we're going to do next is drive around and hopefully find something that will be kind of low-key, something that won't draw a lot of attention. We also already have our window coverings in. And then hopefully we'll find a good spot. Hopefully we won't get interrupted, but we will report back to you in the morning if all goes well. Other than that, after that, I think our plan is just to Netflix and chill. I don't know, maybe play some games if Eric feels like getting beat again. And other than that, yeah, we will report back to you in the morning to see how it goes.
Apparently there's going to be a comedy show tonight too,
yeah,
right
apparently.
Here. But yeah, it's important that you always, if you're in a place where you think you're going to have a hard time with sleeping, set your stuff up. Like, go to a grocery store, go to the corner of the parking lot, set everything up. Yeah. You'll have a good 5-10 minutes. If security comes along, you can tell them, I'm not staying, I'm just changing things around and then leaving. Once everything's ready for you just to crawl into bed and go, drive around, find your spot, park, becomes super easy, turn around or go outside, crawl in the door, close the door, go to sleep, and everything's super low key. We're lucky that these window coverings, with all of this light from outside, it looks like it's just a dark van sitting on the street.
That being said, we talk like we're experts at stealth camping. However, we've only done it a few times, and every time it's been okay. So hopefully this will be another one of those okay times. But I really do like using rest stops generally, but sometimes they're not always available, or sometimes you want to just actually be in town. So that's what we're going to try this time. Hopefully it goes okay.
Yeah, the other nice thing about rest stops is they usually have outhouses.
Yeah.
Right
so
there.
Yeah, that's the other thing is we don't have bathrooms over the night. However, we've come equipped with some pee bags. We will put a link to them or show what they are. I think we got them from AliExpress or something.
They're like $1.50 and they have a powder in that.
Kind of like that litter in kitty litter, I think. It absorbs it.
Yeah,
or
and it turns into like a hard puck inside the bag, so it can't spill. It's actually, it looks like it's pretty nice.
So we do have bathroom situation covered for in town without a bathroom, so yeah.
If you had to go number 2, I'm not sure that powder would do you much
SOL
good.
then. Yeah.
But we also have an Anytime Fitness membership. So if we needed bathrooms, pretty much everywhere has one. There's one in this town that we're in. We won't say the name of this town because I know they've been super hard on van lifers, and we don't want to make it any more of a heat score. But it's relatively easy to do. If someone can park their soccer mom minivan on the street overnight and not get hassled,
Or a sexy 90s minivan.
or a sexy 90s minivan, then there's no reason why in your van you can't get away with it once in a while. The other thing I would suggest too is if you're going to be in a town for a while or a city for a while, move around. Never park the same place twice, or at least twice in a row. It's super easy, especially if you're already driving around, moving your van around.
Yeah.
Just be creative. The more you do it, the better you'll get at it.
And that's pretty much it, okay?
Yeah. Now it's really just searching to find a spot, which...
So it's kind of dark out now, so we may not be able to show that part, but in the morning, if we don't get harassed, then we can obviously show how that went, but I think we have some ideas, but yeah, we're going to go do some driving and search it out.
Yeah.
All right, well, is that it? Until the morning, I guess?
I guess so. I wish I had cold hands to warm up, but I don't. Come on.
All right, harasser.
They're warm.
Yeah, they are warm. But that doesn't mean they're not going to be cold later.
Hopefully they'll be cold later. Well, now we're off. We just left Anytime Fitness. We are looking for a place to crash for the night. Let's see. Where can we go? We probably could get away with just parking in one of these downtown stalls overnight, and as long as we were on the go by 7 or 8, we would be okay. But same with this city-free parking lot. We almost could get away with that too. Let's take a look. Now, turn on my light bar for a second. Yeah, that parking lot is mostly empty. I'm sure we can get away with that.
So that's one option.
Yeah, option number 1 is a free parking lot.
Option 2, what? Like on the street here?
Yeah, we could just pull over in front of these houses. But yeah, as long as you're low key, you can almost get away with it anywhere. Just don't park right in front of someone's main front window, or find a corner, park between two houses so that nobody really knows who your vehicle belongs to. This actually looks like a city park. Oh yeah, and there's lots of stuff parked here. Looks like there's kind of a school.
And then we can check out some of the parks as well.
Yeah, well I think this one here might be connected. Let's see what we can find. Sometimes when you see other vans parked places, sometimes that can be a good thing. If it's not a place that's friendly to van lifers though, often parking in a group only brings traffic your way. So I almost, unless it's like a Walmart, I'll usually try to find a place to park that's away from other vans. Actually, this looks like a city park here. What does their signage say?
Good question. Angle parking.
Oh, angle only.
Which we are.
That's a gate right there. This actually might work. Let's park somewhere we're not right in front of a gate. That way in the morning, if there's bylaw guys opening and unlocking that gate.
There's definitely lots of vehicles parked here. And at this time, I don't imagine they're going to be leaving again, but you never know. It is Friday, so.
These are handicap parking.
Is this parking?
Buses only.
No buses.
So we got to go back to where we just were, I guess.
Yeah, I think that was good though.
Yeah, we're facing out into the park, so the chance of anyone peering into the vehicle is probably pretty low. So, yeah, probably not right under the light. Let's just go down to this end. Park right here, not at the end, but pretty darn close.
Doesn't say no overnight.
Yeah. Yeah.
Beauty.
So it's dark here. There's actually not a lot of light pouring in. There's a street light to our left, about 15 spaces. Yeah, turn this on here. Yeah, now you can see us. So yeah, this place looks good. There's houses on the other side of the street. There's a city park in front of us. Lots of angle parking. No overnight signs. Usually it's hard pressed, unless it's a big city, to find only parking spaces that are limited. So you don't have to look very far generally. Anyways, this is probably as good as we need it to be.
Let's give it a go.
So we're going to crawl in the back, and I'll move this to the back so that you guys can see our get in and get out routine.
Should I lock it? Lock it?
Yeah, let's get mine.
Now everything can fill. So hold on. Your camera took a tumble, but it landed on the bed, so no harm. Yeah, you can pull it. Grab my other one too.
Here, man, get the door closed before anyone has a chance to see.
Okay.
And let's turn some of these lights on. So there you have it. We are now climbing into bed, other than the light we have on right now at the front of the window, because we don't have a curtain dividing yet. We're too busy playing in our van to get that part done. Really, nobody will know we're here unless they're walking by and hear me talking. But I don't know, we're going to play some games or watch some more YouTube or what?
I'm feeling YouTube tonight.
Sounds good. It is pretty late. It's about midnight. It's been a long day, so we've made our stop at any time. Yeah. Well, that's how we stealth park overnight.
We will
in
let you
urban
know
settings.
what happens in the morning.
Yeah, if someone comes along, we'll turn the camera on. Have a good day.
Good night.
That was a dumb thing to say. Anyway.
Alright, well, good morning. It was a successful night. We were not harassed, thank goodness, and it looks like it's going to be a really nice day, so we're going to enjoy that. But yeah, no, we had no problems last night. We kept our window coverings up. It was slept really warm. I think it was only like, what, -3, if that. So what we're going to do now is pack up the van, and then we're probably going to maybe hit Anytime Fitness to go pee. And then we're going to probably search around for a place to stay the night. We're going to have a campfire and cook up some chicken, and that's pretty much it, eh?
Yeah. There's people walking by like crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, all morning from like 6 a.m. at least on. Runners have been going by. Families with kids on their bikes. There's a retired looking couple. Maybe I'm being ageist. I don't know.
Elderly.
But yeah, they definitely look like they do this walk probably every day.
Yeah.
And the park in front of us, all kinds of people playing. So as long as you're low key, I'm not sure there isn't anywhere you could get away with parking as long as the parking spot allowed it.
Low key, and you don't just keep coming back over and over again for like several nights.
Yeah, overstaying your welcome is the other one. Some places you might even be able to get away with that, but I think it's good practice to just always keep moving. That way one person isn't spoiling it for everybody else. But time to
Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time.
get rolling.
Good? What?
Good as it's gonna get.
All right. Where is the camera? Somewhere in there? Okay.
Black line.
Okay.